Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: hammer, the correct SDK, and a valid game info. TXT so the engine finds textures. Once that's confirmed, import or locate a Skybox texture sheet with 6 faces, matching sizes and naming. Create a new material in Hammer or use a VMT/VTF pair and set the texture to a power of 2 resolution like 512 or 1024. Make sure to set the texture browser path and a convenient grid so you start placing objects without wasting time. Next, you construct the Skybox geometry. Create a cube slightly larger than the visible world and change its faces to receive only the sky material, using NawDraw for interior optimization. Once done, apply your Skybox material to the interfaces and, if required, tweak Skybox scale to adjust perceived distance. Place a sky camera entity inside the cube, align it at player eye height, and set its origin precisely. This camera controls where the sky maps align, so make incremental saves and test frequently. Finally, compile and test. Start with a fast compile of just the Skybox to check orientation, then run a full compile to validate lighting and view. If you see seams or misaligned faces, make sure your VTF has proper edge padding and correct filtering. Rotate or rescale textures when needed. If the sky appears offset, confirm the sky camera origin matches the Skybox center and that material flags like Skybox or clamp are set correctly. If problems persist, rebuild the cube and reapply textures carefully.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.